where it gets a little fun. So we're going to show you real quick, just to reiterate one more time, 2 very quick clips from 2 different types of clients that we have. One, well, I won't even explain, you'll find out. So tell me how you feel differently between both of these clips. Here's number 1. This is my favorite. And I'm going to pause it after it.
Yeah, I got nothing to lose. It's everything I know.
And that's a long video, so I'll just pause it. And here's number 2 for a different client. So those are for 2 totally different clients of ours. And how did you feel differently when you saw them? You know, we used very specific camera angles, background music, lighting to make you feel those ways. We could have taken them both and not, you know, use those particular things. And you may have felt something different, obviously, between dogs and a SWAT team. But if you really look at the way that everything goes along with the music, all of that, it's all a build up for you to come away feeling what you need to feel. 1, you want to go to the doggy splash next year. 2, you resonate with why that SWAT team needs protective gear. So that's a fun example on that one. And so I'll finish kind of with this last little part, and then we can go into any kind of questions or anything.